time for us to go to plan B. Bombardment.
What we did, we were just trying to protect.
No, Daddy, nobody protects anybody with lies. No.
I thank the Lord above for sending you to me.
So engaged me.
Why do you want to know? Daddy, you know, mommy look why. Why are you both making it about you? How dare you?
This is epic.
I take off and learn you. If I didn't share.
Welcome back to the Thumbs Up Show. Today, we are diving into the vibrant world of Nollywood with Ada Omo Daddy, a heartwarming and hilarious movie that is sure to entertain. If you are a fan of family drama, romance, and a touch of comedy, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more Nigerian movie reviews and recommendations. Ada Omo Daddy, starring the talented Mercy Aigbe, tells the story of a young woman caught in the crossroads of family expectations and her own dreams. Mercy's performance here really brings out the nuances of her character. Bold, relatable, and with just enough sass to keep us hooked. One of the things audiences love about this movie is how real the family dynamics feel. Ada Omo Daddy tackles the classic dilemma of choosing between personal desires and family obligations, a thing many of us can relate to, especially within Nigerian culture. Plus, there is plenty of humor. Mercy Aigbe's character knows how to keep things lively, from witty dialogues to laugh-out-loud situations. Ada Omo Daddy brings a nice balance of drama and light-hearted moments that make it easy to watch. Beyond the laughs, Ada Omo Daddy gives us a glimpse into societal expectations and generational differences, all while keeping the story engaging and full of emotion. It's a refreshing take on how young people can stay true to themselves, even when under family pressure. Mercy Aigbe shines in her role, bringing warmth, strength, and humor to her character. You can feel the tension, the love, the struggle as she navigates her relationships with family. It is easy to see why her performance has resonated with so many viewers. If you are a fan of movies with heart and humor, Ada Omo Daddy is one you won't want to miss. It is an enjoyable Nollywood story that brings you laughter, tears, and plenty of reasons to keep watching. So have you seen Ada Omo Daddy yet? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And remember, for more movie reviews, insights, and Nigerian entertainment updates, make sure to subscribe to the Thumbs Up Show. Thanks for watching and see you in the next review.